Hello and welcome to Nola Cooks. My name is Wonola. On today's video, I'll show you how to make this super easy and delicious orange cake. I've been making orange cake for a while now, and if you're following me on Instagram or on Snapchat, you notice I post a lot of videos of orange cake, but I never posted the recipe. This was because I was working on the recipe and I wanted to get the perfect recipe. So now I got it. If you're interested to know how this cake is made, please keep watching. For the recipe, you need cake flour, baking powder, sugar, eggs, orange, and melted butter. Just 6 ingredients. First step, grab a grater, grate the orange zest and set it aside. Now divide the orange into 4 pieces or more. Remove the white skin of the orange and remove the seeds in the orange. Add the orange flesh to a blender, add the sugar, the eggs, and add the melted butter and blend it for about 2 minutes. If you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and put on the bell notification for more recipes every week. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your family, friends, or anyone that might be needing this recipe. Next, add the baking powder to the cake flour and sift it in the wet ingredients. I have a list of all ingredients used and the measurements in the description box below. Please check the description box. And if you don't have the cake flour, you can use all-purpose flour. I have tried it before and it was just fine, but I prefer to use cake flour. Mix the wet and dry ingredients together until it is well combined. Then add in the orange zest and mix together as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I'll be posting mouth-watering recipes on my channel every week and you don't want to miss out. If you have any video recommendation for me or any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. You need to grease your baking ware with oil or butter to avoid the cake from sticking to the baking ware. Then transfer your batter into the greased baking ware. Next, put the cake batter into a 180 degrees Celsius preheated oven and bake for 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Wait for the cake to cool off a little bit, then gently remove it from the baking ware. This is the end result of my orange cake. As you can see, it's very easy, it is very delicious, it is so fluffy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.